Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about list data types and tuple data type. So first we are going to see the tuple. What is a tuple? So it is a immutable data type and it is represented by round braces. This is the round brackets. Each value in a tuple is comma separated. Okay, is a comma separated value. These are the comma separated value. It is a collection of different data types. See, in T1 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9. And in T2, A, B, C, D, E, F. If I write T1 square bracket 0th position to 4th position, what he give me? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a tuple. If I write the 5, so it will giving me 1 2 5. See, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a tuple. Okay, next we are going to see the list. So list is a mutable data type. List is mutable data type. It is a collection of a similar and dissimilar data type. So list is represented by square brackets. This is a square brackets. L1 is equals to 1 2 3 5 7 9 11, and L2 is equals to 4 2 4 6 8 10 12. If I want this plus of these two brackets, just I write L1 plus L2. What he give? 1 3 5 7 9 11 2 4 6 8. What is giving me? It is giving me all the two uh, all the two braces in one bracket. See, these are the two brackets, right? If I plus this, it will connected, and it will come like a one one list. Okay, so this is a list. If I want L2, I want this L2 list multiply L2 list three times. So I just write L2 into 3. It will giving me 3 times list in one list. 3 times this value in one list. Next is I want a position third. इंडेक्स पोजीशन थर्ड क्या है? 1 2 0 1 2 3. 3 पोजीशन पर क्या है? 8. So it will giving me 8. That's why. Next is methods on a list. First method is append. Append method means what? It will add another value also, means append. So L1, this is the L1 list. In N1 list, there is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and I want more numbers, no more values like 13, 14, like that. So I want 13. So I just write L1 dot append 13, and then I run L1. It will giving me 13. Okay, so this is a append. If I write 17, see, it will not giving me 17 because because L1 is not defined, because I not run this. So that's why, see, it will giving me 17. So all this uh, brackets, all this uh, code, all this code bracket is connected to each other. That's why I have to run this, and then it will showing me 17. See, next is I want this two times, so it will giving me this two times. See, 14 17 14 17. Next is -1. Where is the position? -1 index position is what? 15 and 17. It is 0 1 2 3 from right side. 1, -1, -2, like that. Next is insert. Insert means it add the given value in the specified index position. So if I add insert method L2 dot insert and -1 comma 1. So in the -1 position, it will showing me 1. See, in -1 position, index position, it will showing me 1. Next is extend. Extend means it will add multiple values in the given list, like that. L2 dot extend a comma b. See, it will added more values. Means multiple values. This is a multiple values. This is a single value. This is a single value adding. This is a multiple value adding with the extended method. Next is remove. So simply it will remove a with the help of remove method. Next method is pop method. So pop method is pop the -1 position value. So this is a -1 index positions value. Reverse. Reverse means right to left and left to right. This is a if I want this in a reverse position, so first letter is B. So this is a reverse. B, then 12. See, here is the last one second 12, and here is last first. Last one first, not first one second. And this is the last one second. Now it is first one second. Then is sort. Sort. Sort method means ascending order. It will showing me in ascending order, like 1, 3, 9, 34. So first is 1, then 3, then 9, then 34, then 35, then 67, then 72, and then 89. So this is a sort method which is giving me an ascending order. Next is sort method with reverse method. So sort in descending order because sort is already a ascending order active. True will be capital T always. See, this is a descending order. Means reversing. This is a reversing. Next method is count. A dot count L1 0. If I write L2 means how many L1 lists are there and L2 lists are there. So there is a 0. Why should I? A is not defined. Oh, I'm sorry. Why? Because this A, I not run this. That's why. C 0. So thank you for today. Next lecture we are going to see the dictionary.